today with my latest Lookiero. My name is Fawn, this is my channel and it's my happy place, and I come on here to show my friends the things I've been buying, the things I've been looking at, and actually to get their advice as well. So if you like that kind of thing, please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, oh god, and leave a comment. I'm out of the habit. Now I'm doing this box directly after doing my JD Williams haul, which was you know, an absolutely resounding success. I can't believe I'm saying to you I'm keeping 3 dresses out of 6. I don't think I've kept 3 dresses out of anything for ever such a long time, so it's I'm kind of on a high from that. So this is going to have to really perform. As you know, with Lookiero, you pay £10 for a box, for them to style a box for you. It's free postage and packing both ways. If you buy anything in the box, they take that £10 off the item. If you buy all 5 items, they give you a 25% discount, which, you know, is not to be sniffed at. My last 2 haven't been the best successes, but then I have had a lot of very, very good boxes. So you've got to have some downs, haven't you? You open the box and this is what it looks like inside. All your things wrapped up, and you have a pink envelope. Oh, which they've actually sealed. Sometimes they don't seal it, but they've sealed this one. Okay, let's open it up. And then in the envelope you have a spread the word about Lookiero. You can earn £10 for every friend you invite who then buys something. You have a letter from your stylist. You have a price list, which I don't look at until the end. And then you have this card sheet that has the items on it and how your stylist thinks you might wear the items, incorporate them into the wardrobe you have. So let's just see what Zahra has to say. I'm hoping it's, oh no, this is somebody different. This is somebody called, welcome back. My name is Sonal and I will be your new stylist. I've had a good look through your communication with Zahra and I feel I have created a box you will love. Let me know. Well, I wonder where Zahra went. I hope she wasn't taken off me because there were 2 boxes that I didn't keep anything from. Oh, Zahra, let me know. You've either gone on to greater things or, okay, so Sonal. She then talks about the items and why she's put them in the box. And then she says, I hope you enjoy trying everything on. Well, I'm a bit floored by that. I expect Zahra's gone to, you know, got a new job doing something amazing, but I've got used to working with her. Here we go. So I've got 2 bundles in the box. And then you have your prepaid envelope. It goes to a DPD shop. My nearest is my Matalan, so it's quite easy for me to deal with. I'm quite happy with that. So let's have a look. First up is a blouse. It's a white or cream blouse by, who's it by? By Want It. It's got these sleeves. Now, I know I don't like this already. It would really take a miracle for me to put this on and think, yes, I want it. The sizing on this is a 4XL or UK 20, but I've never been keen on this kind of sort of concertina chiffon sleeve. So, well, we'll see, shall we? I'll try not to rule it out straight away, but I would be surprised if I like that. Right, what's next? Oh, something from Nude Atelier. Now, I like Nude Atelier because I like their patterns. That's very pretty. Just a little blouse, button through, soft sort of drapey, is it butterfly sleeves they call them? V-neck. It is, again, this lovely fabric. I don't know where they get their fabrics from, but they really are stunning. This is a size 48. It's a little bright, but then I can wear bright colours and they always work well with, say, a plain black trouser or jeans. So I'm interested to see how this looks. Oh, and then last in here is a pair of, although I think that might be navy rather than black. Let me just see if the label will tell me. Yeah, navy. Navy trousers by Vera Moda. They have little turn-ups on the bottom. They're a very sort of casual style, little bit of stretch, them little bits. Does they have pockets? They do have pockets, flat fronted, and then elastication on the back, so should be really comfortable. I'm keen to try those. Do they work with that top? They maybe do, so we'll see. And then the last two things are my Only Karma, a sort of blouse, a loose shaggy blouse, pretty colour, long sleeves with a sort of a button, little button cuff. Can you see that? What do I think of that? I don't know, you know. I'm going to have to see when I put it on. The fabric is not my favourite. It is a viscose poly type fabric. And what size is this? Can I read that? Where does it say? This again, 4XL, size 20. Nice colour though. And then the last item is again an Only Karma, and it is, what is it? It's a dress. I think, is it a dress or is it a jumpsuit? No, it's a dress. It's a dress. It's in this navy, very pretty pattern on it. Long sleeve. I would say this was cotton. It is, it has buttons down to the waistband. The waistband is elastic. No pockets that I can see. I mean, that's nice. I don't know whether I'd pick it up in a shop. I don't know. I'll have to see. So this is by Only Karma, and it is an EU 48, which is a UK 20. So there we go. That's the 5 items. Now you see what I mean. The stylist picks things that you wouldn't necessarily try. And sometimes that's great and it's a great success. And sometimes you just think, oh no, a bit like I did with that cream blouse. So let's see. I'll put the trousers on and I can try all the tops with that, can't I? So here we go. I think I keep saying, so here we go. Okay. Start with the blouse. Well, it doesn't fit very well here. It's a bit tight on me, but you know, that's me. But I hate it, ladies. These sorts of, I can't think what they call that, this sort of business on the edge. I really don't like it. I don't think it's flattering. There's nothing really you can do with it no, it's, I knew I wouldn't like it, and I don't. I'll turn around and show it from the back. You can see it's very close fitting. It's clinging to all the bits I prefer it didn't cling to. Oh golly, it's a dead loss. This one's a dead loss. As for the trousers, I'm not sure. They're pull on. There is no button and fly and all of this. It's a pretend fly here, but they are pull on. But I'm just not sure that I like them, and I don't know why. They look like the sort of trouser that I wear, but they're just not sitting on me the way I would like them to. Do you know what I mean? They're just not quite, I mean, they're a nice fit on the bum, gaping a bit on the pocket, but they're just, I'm not feeling it, Lily. So the Nude Atelier blouse, I'm not feeling it, and I don't know why. This is another, I don't know why. The sleeves are lovely. The fabric is fabulous. I like the V. On the back, it has a sort of a ruffle, like a tier that comes down on the back, whereas the front is very straight. Below me, I don't know why I don't like. I think maybe it's the colours, maybe it's the pattern. I'm not feeling it. Is the truth of this one, and yet I should be, because you know, oh, the fabric's to die for, and the style is very me. I think it's the pattern. I just don't feel right in it. You know, last top with the trousers. This is a far more me cut, I think. Unfortunately, the fabric is clammy fabric. You know what I mean? I like the colour. I like the length. I think the fit is really good. I like that I can pull the sleeve up, but unfortunately it's not very breathable. It really feels quite sort of smothery. And I think I've got a lot nicer things than this in my wardrobe. I kept the trousers on for ease, but also to see if I could figure out what was wrong, but I can't figure it out. They just feel very wrong on me, and I might look at it in the camera and think, what were you talking about? But they just feel like they want to grip on my knees. They just don't feel right. I'm not being very eloquent here, am I? They just don't feel right. But it's true, they don't. Okay, I saved the best to last, and of course it's a dress. Dresses work really well on somebody with my sort of body shape. Separates are very hard for me, so I'm not surprised that the dress works better than those things. I'm just a bit disappointed. It's lovely, it's cotton. It's got kind of quite a slim fit to it without being slim. It is just elasticated. I think the navy pattern is very pretty with the yellow. I do like a bit of that mustardy yellow colour in it. It doesn't have pockets. It's a nice length though, would work well with boots, and has elasticated sleeves, so I'm able to pull the sleeves up. I'll come in so you can see the pattern a bit better. I think it fits really well over here. I like this neckline, this sort of notch and scoop neckline. Again, I think the pattern is helping to minimise the chesticular area. I really like it. It's going to depend on the price. What a funny box. Let's sit down, look at the prices and figure out what I do from there. So there we go. That was a funny one, wasn't it, for Lookiero? I think having a new stylist has thrown me slightly. And I think definitely that cream, well, this cream blouse really threw me, really made me feel uncertain, because it's so everything I wouldn't wear. It is cream, it is thin, it's silky, and then it has these, I don't know, are they called plissé? These weird concertina sleeves. Just really sort of freaked me out a bit. I was a bit kind of, oh, I don't know where this is going to go. So anyway, this cream blouse, let me find it now. Put my glasses on. This cream blouse by Want It. They're calling it a lèvre shirt. Is £35.90. Have I got a lump on my hair? I have. 35.90. I mean, you couldn't pay me to wear it. That's how strongly I feel against this particular blouse. So obviously it's going back. Next we have the nude atelier blouse. Now this is everything I like, but the pattern was wrong. Do you know, if that had just been a plain navy or a plain, can you imagine it? Plain navy or a plain black, that would have been an all day long for me. But I'm not comfortable with the pattern. I don't know why. I do buy pattern things, as you know, but I think this pattern is just a pattern too far. It just doesn't appeal. So, the nude atelier top is £38.90, which is a bit pricey for a blouse, but you know, the fabric is great, etc., as I said. So, you know, if that had been a navy or a black and it fitted lovely, I probably would have gone for it, you know. Then we have the trousers. These are Vera Moda, navy. I wish I could put my finger on what it is about these that doesn't work, because when I look quickly in the mirror I think, oh yeah, they look fine, yeah. But there's something about when I start moving around in them, the way they're sort of catching on my knee and so on, they just don't feel comfortable. They don't feel as if they're doing a good job of flattering what is a challenge of a body, I admit, but they're just not working for me. So these are, how much are they? The Vera Moda, they call them the what pant? Vera Moda Kaya pant. They are £35, which is not a bad price for a decent pair of trousers, but too much when you just don't like them. The Only Coma top. This is kind of disappointing, this one, because I liked it. I thought the fit was good on me. I thought the colour was great on me. But the fabric, unfortunately, has really let it down on this one. It It was one of those, the minute I put it on, I could feel my temperature start to rise, the sort of prickling that happens when you're wearing something that your body says, no, I can't breathe in this. If you don't have that issue, it's a lovely top. It's a lovely length, so it covers the bits I like it to cover, you know, the tummy and the bum. There's lots of movement in it. The V is lovely and the colour is lovely. So though it's not right for me, I can see it would work for a lot of other people. And that was £32, which I suppose that's, yeah, that's there or thereabouts is price-wise. So the last thing is the only thing that I liked, which is the only Karmakoma dress. I really do like this dress. I like the fact that it's cotton, very breathable, very easy to wear. It's called the Karmakoma Carlo Lillis dress, and it's £45, which is not a bad price for a dress, I know, but it's more than I paid for the 3 that I've just bought. This is where the problem comes, because I would get an amazing discount if I was to buy everything, and it would make this then you'd be taking 25% off it, so you know it would become 20 something, and you'd think, oh, that's not, no, it would become a 30 something, I beg your pardon, but you'd think, oh, that's not bad, 30 something for a dress. But if you don't buy anything else, then you have to pay full price for that dress. Obviously you get your £10 off that you've paid towards your box. So anyway, let me do the prices because I'm burbling away here. So the whole box came to £186.80. I've got a credit on my account at the moment, so I'm going to ignore that a moment. My discount would have been £46.70, which would have brought me out at around £130 for the box. And £130, I'll say it again, for a pair of trousers, 3 tops and a dress, I think is very good value. But if you can't get the discount, you have to pay full price, then you have to give it a little bit more thought. So this I'm going to have to think about. Did like it, felt very comfortable. We'll have to look at it on the camera, and maybe you guys can give me some advice. Do you think it's worth £45? I think I said 45, didn't I, guys? Yes, 45. Do you think it's worth 45? Bearing in mind what I just bought in the last haul. So please do reach out and let me know. I wasn't blown away when it came out of the packet, but once I tried it on, I did think it was really rather nice. Anyway, that's me for today. So I've done 2 today, 2 clothing hauls. I've got to tell you, I feel really hot. I'm going to have to lie down. No, I'm not going to have to lie down. But I will be glad to go and get some fresh air. I need some fresh air and let the, because pulling clothes off and on. So there we go. Let me know what you think, guys. I hope you're having a lovely time. I hope you're not getting too bored with all these clothing ones. But Lookiero does have to be back within a set amount of time. You have to let them know what you want. So I thought, well, like, seeing as I'm doing, I'll keep doing. So anyway, take care, and I will be back really, really soon. Bye, guys.